Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are all fine. I am Sadhu Zaka and I am going to discuss about the novel that is Swiss Family Robinson, which is written by Johann David Wyss. We will discuss this novel in parts. In first part, we will discuss the introduction of the novel, chapter 1 and chapter 2. Now from the cover page you can get the idea that what the novel is about. Yes, it's about a sea voyage. First, we will discuss the author. Johann David Wyss was a priest. He was born in Bern, Switzerland on 28th May 1743. He spoke 4 languages. He loved nature. He wrote stories for entertainment. Swiss Family Robinson was published in 1813 and it is sometimes attributed to Johann Rudolf Wyss. In reality, the story was actually written by his father, Swiss pastor Johann David Wyss, in order to entertain and instruct his family. Like the father in the story, Johann David had 4 sons, and with the didactic nature of much of the book and explicit details on how to use the natural world to improve man's lot, the book reflects its origin as a self help survival handbook. Many years after Johann David had written the story, one of his sons, Johann Rudolf, persuaded his father to allow him to rewrite and publish the book. The major characters in this novel are Pastor, his wife, his 4 sons, Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz. Let's discuss the novel. The Swiss Family Robinson is a tale of shipwreck and adventure that begins when a family aboard a ship is caught in a storm and driven aground on a reef. The other passengers are all lost. When the Robinson family are shipwrecked on an uninhabited desert island, they find a new world of adventure and knowledge. As they learn to cope with many problems of life on the island, they become even more closer as a family. Chapter 1. Lieutenant Bell has been a sailor for many years and spent a long time in a sea and faced a lot of difficulties on his voyages. While he was on the ship was traveling to the South Seas when a terrible storm started, blowing the ship off its course. For 3 days the ship shook and tossed here and there by wild winds, and everybody thought they were lost. Suddenly they heard a voice, "Land ahead." They managed to go there and decided to stay till the wind stopped. After a little later, they set off to explore the island and saw a small boat and a tent house further up the shore. They met a Swiss pastor who had been shipwrecked with his wife and 4 children. Pastor was happy to see that finally someone has arrived to rescue them. He decided to meet Captain Johnson the next morning. First, he wanted to prepare his family for departure. Before going, he gave the diary to Mr. Bell that if something happened, he gave the diary to his brother in Switzerland. What happened next will be revealed in the conclusion. Now come to chapter 2, that is the story of Robinson family. The Robinsons' ship hit some rocks after a bad storm. However, they decided to spend the night on the ship. The next day, the children, Fritz, Ernest, Jack and friends explore the ship, find useful things and animals, and they make a boat. There is a link of animated video of chapter 1 and 2. Watch this video for better understanding and think about the questions. First one is you need to read the chapters thoroughly and think about the skills which writer wanted to teach his children. And the other question is all started to work. Think about the characters and jobs they did for their rescue. Thank you. And if you have any queries, do ask me in a comment section below and subscribe my channel.